About this item fits, 64 and 72 models of 2017 plus Can-Am Maverick X3, see product description for specific fitment. Easy Steer. Our Easy Steer Maverick X3 power steering kit drastically reduces steering effort, allowing for longer, more enjoyable rides. Along with enhanced steering, power steering also will virtually eliminate bump steer and wheel jerk to provide a smooth and consistent ride. 100% watertight. Our Easy Steer Maverick X3 power steering kit has a sealed input and output shaft as well as a unique injection molded control box seal guaranteeing a 100% watertight kit. What does this mean for you? Submerge, pressure wash, or hose. Our sealed circuit board is guaranteed to keep the mud out and you going. Compact control box makes for easier mounting and installation. Install, no soldering required. Hardware included. Scan QR code for instructions or visit the manufacturer's website to view instructions and installation how-to video. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item fits,